Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to open Wise account. So let's get started. For that, we need to get into any browser and search for this link, that is wise.com, and we get into interface like this. Now simply click on open an account. Now enter your email address, or you can simply continue with your Google as well. Let's go for email address and click on next. Now choose whether you want personal account or business account. So let's go for business account for now. And choose your country of registration and click on continue. Now enter your phone number here and click on send verification code. After which we get 6-digit verification code. Now create new password. So now we are in Wise interface. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.